video, and I am making another car wash video. And so my dad has picked this wash, but it's not cool! And I'm in the front seat. And unplug it. Oh, it stopped.
What?
But this is the sign that says stop for your dad. Stop, back up, and forward. So, Dad has to check if it's closed, like the last time it was.
Man, push your seat out so your seat come up like that. Then you know which one to do it, right?
Yes.
So come on, up then.
Away.
Okay.
And it is
All right,
now
that's
spraying.
enough. Okay, now bring it forward, so. No, bring your seat forward. Put your feet down for a minute so we get more. Okay, that's good.
Now it
you can
is
put your feet up.
spraying. I can feel the wetness.
Huh? Oh my goodness, let me see something. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh my goodness. Hopefully that loud boy don't come out. Oh boy.
That's your papers. You might want to get them out of the
Yeah,
way.
I'm gonna put them back here. Let me put them. I got some towels.
Oh, I can feel it.
Huh?
Nothing. Yeah, it's getting me wet.
Wait, it's all right. They went up. I can't do nothing about it. I only know where my towels and stuff at. I only know where they at. There's gonna be a lot of water coming down in a second. I don't know. I probably left them in the truck. Unbelievable.
See, it's coming down.
Huh? Okay, don't worry about it. I'm gonna heck with it.
I want to see this.
Heck with it. Honey.
I want to
Here we go.
feel it.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here, you use that one. So we don't get on your other iPad. I'll get on our wow. Can't you really come down there? All right.
You guys see? You guys can see.
Don't get on your iPad.
Dang! Daniel! Sorry, what was that? Just my imagination. Might have just been my imagination too.
Let's see if you vivid your imagination there. A couple seconds, that's for sure. That's your son. So one of these Jean Marie Goodman. Your daddy loves you more than anything in the world, but you know what? That was your imagination, baby.
Stopped. No. Oh no, it didn't. Sorry, it's coming down again. Soft.
I'm gonna put another drop in your eye.
Oh, thank gosh, no!
Yeah. When we get over there. Let me my soda, man.
You'll see me put my thing in my eye, so yeah, just wait till it comes back.
I got it. This raspberry crumb cake. That thing is so good. I mean, really delicious. Scrumptious lumpsies. Scrumptious lump. Look, scrumptious lumpsies. Scrumptious lumpsies.
Phil, you spit!
Scrumptious, excuse me, scrumptious lumps. Scrumptious lumpsies.
No, you can't say it.
Scrumptious lumps. Scrumptious lumpsies. Scrumptious lumpsies. Scrumptious. Man, laser dry. Get ready to dry. Get on that light in there.
Wait.
Get ready to go in there, baby. In a second. Don't open that door.
I'm not! See it come by. Oh, it's up here.
That's what I do, baby.
Oh, it's right here.
Daddy love his little banker. And love his serenity.
We're going. I get
So then we go home.
them one. So here's the check. Oh my gosh! I have to. No. If you can see it come through, it says color polish. Now you can color this. I'll put it to the car.
Wow.
Color polish. That's all for this video, so wait a second. And then I'll make another video of putting eye drops in my head.